even know whether they adopted me or they just picked me from the dustbin. My mother is just the worst woman on this earth. How can somebody have this kind of thoughts towards her own child? You're not even happy for my progress. You're not happy that I'm happy. Is it that you just want me to be in your house forever and ever? Me, I'm tired. I'm tired because it's like, me, I'll soon move out of this house. Maybe it's because they are seeing me too much. No, they don't see me finish for this house. They don't see me finish for this house. I'm getting married. You cannot be happy for me, but the person that I say, okay, this is the person I want to get married to, you people want to frustrate my life. I think I'm going to make a very, very drastic decision, and nobody's going to like what I'm deciding. Nobody's ever going to like what I'm deciding. I think I'll see. What kind of family is this now? What kind of family is this? I want to frustrate my life.
Janet! My God! I've been looking for you all round. I called, you did not pick my call. I got worried, and I've been looking for you. Hope all is well.
My family wants to kill me. My family
No.
I don't know.
No.
This woman is, in fact, it's not even it's not even all my family. It's just my mother that's the source of concern here. This woman doesn't get wants us to get married. You know how she's treating me. She has refused to accept me. It's not something I'm going to come and start telling you again. It's not a new thing now. You are aware of all these things. Eh?
Yeah, I'm aware of all these things, and I know what we are going through. But see, Janet, let me be sincere with you. Every responsible parent, every responsible mother will do what your mom is doing.
Me, I'm tired of.
No, I know it's stressing, and I know it's frustrating. I'm also frustrated. But you know, if they don't do this thing, how do we now prove to them that we really love each other?
What's the meaning? Must we prove?
No, it's a process.
Must we prove? No, now. You and this
See,
your process.
See,
I don't understand.
See, I want you to.
Me, the thing is just that I'm just ready to just move out. Since these people say they don't want us to marry, they don't want to accept you. I did not just go out and just marry. I did not just go out and just carry baby. Let's just go because they are refused to accept you. Let's just run away. We can just run away. We can just go. Our teenager, nobody just. Maybe they don't value a daughter. Let's just go. Let's just marry.
Yeah, I think. Yeah, I don't want to disagree with you in as much as I understand why you are talking like this, because we are on this together, but it's not responsible, and it doesn't show that we are responsible people when we do what you are suggesting. You see, I am ready to carry the cross, to go through all this for you, to prove to your parents that I really love you.
For how long?
It doesn't matter. I am ready to prove to them. But for you now, suggesting that you want to get belay for me, you want to leave your parents' house, it's not responsible of a husband to be to agree with you like this. Any husband to be that will agree to you that you should follow him and leave your parents is a very terrible husband. I'm not that.
So why are they acting like this?
No, please, we have to keep praying. Sometimes we forget about praying also, and then try to understand from the side of our parents too, that they just want the best for us. They just want the best for you, and that is why they are doing all they are doing. Let's just try and understand with them and keep praying. And I'm telling you, before you know it, God can turn that hard stone, that their stony heart, to love us and make sure that we achieve whatever we want to achieve. They are our parents, and I know they love us. Please stop thinking like that. Stop allowing yourself to be too much worried. I'm here for you. We are in this together, and nothing will ever change our love. Nothing will change it. We will go on together, and we'll finish it by the grace of God. I hope you are better. I'm with you.